Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Edge browser on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Now here we want to write Microsoft Edge, like this, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press on the install. After process is complete, we can open the app and we can begin customizing it. So here you can add account or sign in to sync other accounts and devices using Microsoft Edge. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. And here you can either accept or not accept to help to improve Microsoft products by sending optional diagnostic data about how you use the browser, websites you visit, and crash reports. So I'm not gonna do that either, and press confirm. You can also set your Microsoft Edge browser as the default browser for this phone, so let me do that. And here, default apps, you need to find browser app and select Edge right here. Now go back and you'll be able to use your browser normally. You can open any website and it should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.